Good afternoon, YouTube. So today's supposed to be a snowing day for us, so we ain't have work today. And I don't see no snow, y'all. No snow. It's 2 in the afternoon. At my boyfriend's house, we chilling. So I was going to show y'all out today what we doing. So he's cooking now, and I'm about to get ready. I'm about to brush my teeth and stuff. And now, I got up like at 1. No, don't judge me, y'all. Don't judge me. I'm gonna show y'all outside too and stuff. So I'm gonna see what he doing. Y'all wanna come with me and see what he doing? Yeah. Let's go out there and see.
All right, so we snowed in, and it ain't doing nothing but just raining ice, man. You know what I'm saying? So
yeah, it's raining out there.
I'm getting ready to cook. I'm getting ready to set up our hookah. We're gonna listen to some music, play some games, and chill out. So
yeah,
I'm here with my beautiful lady, most beautiful woman in the world, and you know we just snowed in. So what you gonna tell them, babe?
I'll be back. We're gonna show y'all the food too. So what he cooking? What you cooking, babe?
Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. You gonna see too. So we just chilling, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, it is people still moving around though.
Yeah, the car's still driving.
You know, so.
Alright, we'll be back. Alright, guys, y'all see the rain outside? Yeah, it's raining. I think it might turn into ice outside.
All right, so look.
All right, guys, my man cooking.
Yeah, Chef Borar J.
Mm-hmm.
You feel me?
I know that's right.
The chicken you hear that? The chicken has to be really, really dry. Okay? When you cooking it. And then you gotta cut this off. And you have to, people don't know how to cook. So you gotta cut off and trim all the fat. Nobody don't want no fat in their chicken.
Yeah, but some people like fat though.
Yeah, but you don't want that. See, that's the tenderloin. So you could use this for like a salad or whatever you want. And then what you do is you fillet it. Like this. You see?
Yeah, babe.
Fillet it like that. You see that? Yeah. Then you just, okay, you see that? Boom. All right?
Boom.
Then you go do this one. Same thing. You just open it up and cut it like that. It's gonna come out perfect. Every time. My baby gonna love it. All right, so you just, there you go. Like that. Okay? And then you use this like for salads or whatever you want to use it for. And then this fat right here, you can't have no fat on your chicken, shawty. You gotta cut that off. Nobody don't want to be biting into no fat, shawty. And then, so it's already prepped. So now we gotta use the mallet and flatten it, and it's gonna, when we put it on the grill, it's gonna cook evenly. Wine auntie shop.
Auntie Trudy. All right, I'll be back, y'all. Okay, guys, my man give me some wine.
Nice little bit of wine for you.
Thanks.
Enjoy.
All right, look at my man. He ain't playing. Got the chicken going.
You gonna be eating too.
Oh, well, you already know that. Got this one seasoned up. On the grill.
Right on the grill.
It's gonna be good.
Yep.
No, that's right. Right, babe? Thanks.
Yes, ma'am.
I know you do. All right.
Charlie.
Sprinkle, sprinkle.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, Charlie.
Sprinkle, sprinkle.
Look at that, Charlie. You hear that sizzle?
You hear that sizzle?
And you just take that.
It smells good too.
I know. I know it do.
I know.
Look almost as good as you, babe.
I know. But it's not.
And you do the other side too.
Yeah.
There you go.
Alright, there you go. Alright, my man making asparagus too as well. I don't eat it, but he's making it for himself. I might try one today. You never know. It look good though. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show y'all the grilled chicken that he made earlier. And then we're gonna show y'all, that's for dinner though. That's for our dinner. I thought it was for our lunch, but I'm gonna show y'all our lunch next. Alright? Alright guys, this how it's looking. A little wine right there. It's looking good. Alright guys, this is our lunch. Got some wings, mashed potatoes, and broccoli, my wine, my lemonade, and they got wings, asparagus, and mashed potatoes, and some lemonade over there. I don't know what that is, but it's something over there. Y'all know, I'm not talking about that. I said it already, asparagus. I'm talking about...
Oh, that's just... Oh, you don't know what that is?
What that...
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about this.
That's sad. Alright, guys. I'm about to try his asparagus, and I'm going to let y'all know how it tastes.
Can cook one.
Alright, I'm about to try it now. Listen to me, babe. Let's see. It's good, but I don't eat it.
Trudy don't like it. It ain't Trudy's thing.
Alright, I'm about to eat, y'all. I'll be back in a little bit. I hope y'all enjoy that snow. Let me know if y'all got snow or not.
Y'all be safe out there. It's starting to rain. Ice rain.
Yeah. Alright, later, y'all. Be back in a little bit. Alright. We back. And we're doing hookah now.
That's funny. What's so funny?
You.
You like your hookah?
Yes. So we just, chilling for the rest of the day. So.
Staying safe. Make sure y'all stay safe, y'all.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Be safe out there.
The haters and the players. Like everybody. Stay safe.
Everybody. Yeah, so we just chilling for today. Let me know what y'all doing, what y'all did, or did it snow where y'all at? Cause it still ain't snow. They say for the snow tomorrow, so I don't know, y'all. We gonna see. But I'm gonna wrap this up soon because I'm not gonna be filming the whole night. So hope y'all enjoy this little day of snow. Storm. Supposed to be snow, So we back. What you doing? I'll be back. What you doing? He act like he'll be hearing me while I'm talking to him. What's he doing?
What's he doing?
I'm talking to my people.
Oh,
My loved ones. My family. Oh yeah, we're listening to Cardi B. That's my girl. I want to go see her, but I'm thinking, I don't know. I'll let y'all know. Well, we'll be back. Alright, so we back. Babe cooking. He gonna start making fries. What we having, fries?
We having chicken sandwiches and
Yes, the chicken
fries.
sandwich and fries. Yeah.
Yeah, for dinner.
Yeah, for dinner. That's what we're gonna eat.
I know it's late, but the fries take a long time, so.
Yeah. You gonna put the fries in the oven?
Yeah. I'll put them in the oven. That's the best way to cook them.
Okay. So I'll be back. Let me show you the fries. All right, guys.
I don't know how you like yours, but
Use the fries.
I like a little bit of pepper, just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So what you do, cause like you put that pepper on there like that. Everything mixed up like this. So it's mixed up. Then what you do? You come with the salt. Just a little bit of salt, not too much. I'm gonna start a YouTube channel for men to cook for their ladies, bro. Cause my baby be eating all my food, bro. I don't know about y'all out there, man, but my lady eat the whole plate be empty. Like I can cook, bro. I ain't trying like you a little back, but I'm saying like I know how to cook, man. I mastered this. Like this is years and years of what y'all seeing, man. Right on YouTube for free. You feel me?
Yep.
So you can comment, subscribe. You want to contact us for, side hustles? Hit me up, Shawty.
Hit him up. We'll be
so
back.
What you do, right?
Are you want to come over there?
Yeah, come on.
Oh, okay.
Listen, she the most beautiful woman in the world. So
oh, thank you, babe. You're the most handsome man in the world.
I know I am.
Yeah,
All right, so look. All right. All right, so look. The oven at 450, right?
I can't.
That's the perfect temperature. So you got your little pan right here.
Got the butter in there.
Drop the fries down. Now this is the part. You gotta make sure all the fries are separated. Cause you gotta flip them. They have to be separated. All of them have to have their own space, you feel me? Like an apartment. You see that? Wow. Voila. Then you just drop it down, Sean. Alright? Put the timer on for 45 minutes. You gotta always, when you're a real cook, you gotta always include that minute where you gotta flip the fries or flip whatever you gotta flip. That's when you know you're a real cook, Shawty. So it's 40 minutes to cook them, right? But I got the extra 2 minutes. You see? You gotta have that extra 2. That's when you know you're a real cook, Shawty.
All right, we'll be back.
I'm gonna start my own YouTube channel, Shawty.
Babe done cooking, so I'm gonna show y'all the food, how it look, alright? Alright, this is mine. The chicken champs and the fries. This is, he got pickles and all that.
You close it out. I told you I ain't
Babe, close it out. Alright, babe about to close out tonight.
First of all, peace and love to everybody. And I hope everybody's safe. We had an amazing night. Hookah, good food, good fun, good company. And of course, the most beautiful woman in the world. So we listened to a couple of tapes, and had dinner together. So now we about to do some movies and just chill and just stay safe and stay inside for the storm. So I hope y'all are safe. I hope everybody's good. I hope it's good vibes. And we'll see y'all tomorrow and let y'all know what's going on.
We'll see y'all next time. Or maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right. Good night, y'all.
Y'all have a good night.